Hey there, if you are 18 years old and you need a loan from a bank but you don't know about the process how you can get a loan from a bank, then you're at the right place. Today I'm going to guide you through the process how you can get loan as 18 years old teenager. So let's dive right in. The first question is, what are the documents required to be eligible for a personal loan for 18 years olds? Application for a personal loan typically entails checking your need for money, why do you need money, then eligibility for funding and the ability to repay the loan. The institutions check this because it gives a collateral-free loan. Therefore, applicants for personal loans must often be salaried individuals. They should submit documentation attesting to their personal and professional information. A few of these documents include a properly completed loan application, documents asserting the applicant's continuous employment, KYC records such as documents providing an applicant's age or nationality. You just need to give them the proof that you can repay the loans. Now, how to apply for a personal loan for 18 years old. In just 7 steps, you can apply and get the personal loan amount in your bank account. Step 1 is to determine the precise loan amount you require, evaluate your needs. Step 2 is the EMI you can afford to pay will rely on any exciting loans or credit card balances that you may currently be repaying. To see how much you can afford to pay back each month, use the eligibility calculator for personal loan for 18 years olds. Now, step 3 is go through the eligibility requirements of the bank to find out whether your employment and income will qualify. Step 4 is check out the bank's personal loan interest rate. The personal loan EMI calculator can be used to check your monthly spending. Step 5 is if you are a current client, you can submit an application for a personal loan for 18-year-olds. You can do it via your internet banking account or the bank's mobile app. Also, you can obtain the application at the branch. Also, you can download it from the financial institution's website. Step 6 is along with the application form include a few other necessary documents. For instance, these are the KYC documentation, income proof, address evidence. Check for the processing fee. These are most important nowadays because some banks or some organization will take a hidden charge that are mentioned nowhere. For these charges, you can get into a hassle with the repayment process. You will get a huge amount of repayment, including the hidden charge or fees. So be clear with your representative of the bank that if there is any type of hidden charge in this loan. Now the last step is based on your eligibility, the bank will review the paperwork. They will then sanction the loan and approve the amount. You will then have to sign the standing instruction ECS form and the agreement. Your account is then credited with the money. Here is the whole process in a nutshell for getting a loan at the age of 18 years. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.